When I first moved back home, I felt something between you and me. But I wasn't really sure how you were feeling. And then Annie asked me to prom, and she's great.
Nothing lasts forever. This is gonna take me down. He's so tall, handsome as hell. He's so bad, but he does so well. I can see the end as it begins. My one condition is, say you'll remember me, standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again, even if it's just in your wildest dreams. Wildest dreams. I said no one has to know what we do. His hands are in my hair, his clothes are in my room. His voice is a familiar sound. Nothing lasts forever, but this is getting good now. He's so tall, handsome as hell. He's so bad, but he does so well. I can see the end as it begins. My one request it is, say you'll remember me, standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again, even if it's just in our wildest dreams.
Roaming that around and expect to catch a guy you like.
Nice welcome for the...
Dreams. You see me in hindsight, tangled up with you all night, burning it down. Someday when you leave me, I bet these memories follow you around. You'll see me in hindsight.
But the more time I spent with her, the more I realized she's not the one for me.
Someday when you leave me, I bet these memories follow you around.
I like you.
Say you'll remember me.
I wasn't acting.
Standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again, even if it's just in. Say you'll remember me.